Hi there, my name is Iona and welcome to my channel. You want to subscribe so you can have access to all my content in one convenient place. Now, we all get busy with our daily lives, so you want to ring that notification button so you can be reminded of new content. Like and love my channel to help me grow, and be sure to leave a comment below if this video was helpful or if there's something you would like to see me do more of. So without any further delay. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Yes, I am, if you know me, you'll know that I am sporting a little bit of a shorter haircut. Right, so I have been exploring with the mediums that we've worked with up until thus far. We have done charcoal, pencil and pen. So now I am just practicing what I can actually do with all three of them together. This was really exciting. I actually really enjoyed it. I got carried away a bit, and in this my battery seemed to have ran flat while I was doing the piece, and obviously I only realized when I finished, when I wanted to pause the video. So this edit might seem a little bit weird, but I really enjoyed this piece. So with this one I did a pen mask, so I sketched the entire face. I just blended where the mask would be a little bit darker, and then I just drew different floral patterns on that would be in the shape of the mask. That's in pen over the pen sketch. And then the hair I did with charcoal, but I mixed the charcoal with water and I painted the afro on. So at the end I will do a little video of the things I feel that I should have improved on and try it in the new picture, which will be for next week. Yeah. So here is the picture that I did. Picture. Little things that I would have changed on her. I kind of would have left the face lighter and not shaded in darker. And then with the pen mask, I would not have put flowers, but maybe just leaves. Something a little bit simpler until I can master the art of drawing pen in little line shapes. But maybe just try with simpler patterns in pen, but I do like the stripe idea with the pen. And with the face, I'll just have to bring in a lot more light into the face here. As for the pencil sketch, it's just a light here by the nose and by the eye, a little bit more contrasting. The hair, I love the hair. The hair it's like this thick powder paste. It feels like you can blow it away. It is such a cool thing to see. It looks so weird. But I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see in the light. Do you see how the page like got wet and buckled? Check there, you can see it on the back, like buckled. So it's got this whole buckling thing going on the picture. You can't see it on the camera, but the paper is literally warping like this, which is, it's not the right paper to use a lot of water on. So definitely I would change the amount of water I use on it. I will leave the pattern in pen a lot simpler and just bring more definition into the sketched face, make it more look like a pencil. But other than that, I'm loving it. So I'm going to be doing more of them, and I'm going to just be mixing around with. Yeah, hope you guys also learned something that you want to try yourselves too. That is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. Remember to subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get a reminder of new content. Just go ahead and do it anyway. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!